welcome back to Project Anonymous.
In today's video, we're going to update the look of our fridge in our RV. Now, the reason we're moving on to this project in the midst of all the floor being torn out and we just finished the wall is because it's got kind of cold on us and we can't lay the floor yet. So we might as well work on something.
So stick around to see how we do it.
The first thing we're going to do is take off our old panels. And to do that on these Norcold fridges, the outer side edge, there's a plastic strip, and all you have to do is pull that out, and then the panel will slide out. Just like that. So we got 3 more to go. Okay, might be harder than I thought. So running into a little problem. If I pull out this side here, I'll never be able to slide this panel out, and I really don't want to have to take out the door to do it. And on this side, I've got this little stopper in the way. I'll get a screwdriver. So I'm going to try to take this front strip off, which is a little bit thicker, and it doesn't seem to want to go by my fingers. I just want to see if possibly I can get this out of here without breaking it. It really doesn't want to come out. I might have to take the door off, which is not what I wanted to do. It looks like to get the door off, get close, I just have to get this one screw down here and we'll pull it off the pivot, and then I can slide the door out. Now we can take this panel out. Yeah, we're going to trim this down a little bit. That's too tough. It should slide in there. Just a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to need to go get a wrench because I can't get in here with this guy.
You want me to do a magic trick?
Sure.
Okay, here you go.
Hey, well, where'd my other tool go?
I don't know, maybe outer space?
Okay,
I mean, as long as you have the wrench.
that's right. So we got all the panels out.
Now to bring them to the garage?
Now to the garage.
Let's go! Okay, dokie, so now we are in the garage, and we're going to put some of this faux stainless steel on these.
Yeah, so we're going to reface them using this, which is essentially stainless steel wallpaper that's self-adhesive, and we're going to put it nicely on our veneer that came on our fridge. The one thing we need to worry about right now is making sure we have the right orientation, because one of these rolls is going to go down the full length of our fridge. So we want to make sure we have the little brush marks in the same direction. So we're just going to follow the wood grain pattern and put this the same way. So we're going to roll it out like that. These upper door panels don't need trimmed at all. So we're going to go ahead and start and put that on there. We just got this on Amazon. We'll put the link down in the description, but like I said, it's essentially wallpaper that is self-adhesive. We're gonna try it out. Yeah, it was only $7, so we'll try it out. Doesn't work?
Doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Oh well. We'll try something else.
Is this kind of like contact paper almost?
It's almost exactly like contact paper. So we're gonna cut along this line here. We left it oversized on purpose, so it doesn't have to be perfect when we first get it laid down. We just have to get close. I'm going to start with the middle so that we can squeeze out the bubbles.
strategy.
It's the right strategy. And I'm just using this little plastic Bondo squeegee. That seems on, and we don't have any air bubbles. It's nice. There's a nice side angle.
You can see a distorted version of a bike.
Oh. Okay. And now,
make sure it's on good.
well, it's on good. We're just gonna trim the outer edges with the razor blade. Okay. You want to go see how this looks on the fridge before we put the rest on?
Yeah. Let's go.
All right. What do you think? I think it looks way better.
I really like it, but there's a lot of scratches on it.
Yeah. I don't know if we caused that with that little squeegee or...
I think you caused it with the squeegee.
Okay. It does scratch easy, so there's that.
Maybe like a higher quality won't do that. Like if,
I don't know,
but
maybe
for $7,
if we use something softer.
but if you're like on a budget, this is probably a good option.
Well, we're always on a budget, but this is gonna look nice when it's done. We'll use a new piece for that one. But let's go do the rest.
Let's go. Are these cars or something? Or
Dust? Yeah. So I thought we had cleaned this panel off pretty good, but just the tiniest little dust particle will get under there and make it look bumpy-ish. I'm gonna use some isopropyl alcohol to clean this one up. Try to get these crumbs off. Alright. I don't know if this piece here is long enough to go all the way, but... of course not. Look at this. 2 inches short. Alright. We're going to cut it right here. Alright, you're going to hold this end again for me? Alright. Just come here and help me smooth this out. I will say one thing I like about it is easy to get the air bubbles out. Alright.
You're gonna take them back to the mirror?
Let's go put them back on.
This one right here looks a million times better than the wood. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it. It's gonna make our fridge look new. Let's put the door on. What do you think?
Yeah. So we just installed all of the doors. So we have 4 of them right here. And this one has a few scratches, so I would not recommend whatever the name on the screen is called, because it scratches the wallpaper a little bit.
The name on the screen?
Yeah, whatever is placed on the screen. It's the little easy thing that we used to.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah, definitely do it by hand.
unless you want it looking like this.
Yeah, so I was surprised that the plastic squeegee thing we used left these scratches on the surface here. So this is very soft. I thought it'd be a little bit harder. So it'd be like not as scratched. But the panels that we did with our hands didn't
Look
get
a
any
lot
scratches and look a lot better.
This
Of course,
one
there's still
probably-
some bumps and stuff.
This one's probably looking the best. So if you want to try this wallpaper out, we're going to go ahead and link it in the description if we can find the link.
Some things that we learned about it, obviously, it scratches really easily, so I don't know how long this is going to last. But for us, we just wanted to kind of update the look in here. That was pretty easy and pretty cheap. And this,
$7?
yeah, this wallpaper for the fridge paneling changed the look completely.
And there's some left over too.
Yeah. The fridge definitely looks updated.
I just keep touching it for some reason. So it actually looks very nice. I think it looks like a million times better than the last. But, I mean, if you like it, just keep it, I guess. But I really like the silver because that's what I'm used to, so it just feels a little bit more homey.
So like I said, I don't know how long this is going to last. But for now,
We'll keep you updated.
yeah, it was an easy project to do. Short of having to take the doors off. That wasn't so fun.
Well, anyways, thanks so much for watching.
Yeah, it's a nice little mini project.
And if you like this video, go ahead and drop a like. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe. And turn on those notifications if you want to get reminded every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
Be happy.
Bye!